Hello everyone and welcome back. So in my previous session we have seen how to launch a empty Chrome browser or a Firefox browser, and we have also seen how to navigate to a web page, also close the web page. All simple basics we have seen in my previous sessions. So in this session we will move a little further, push ourselves a little further and learn some of the advanced basics of Selenium. In the advanced basics of Selenium, I'll be showing you how to get the title of a web page and how to get the current URL of a web page, and also how to print the page source, that is the HTML code of a web page. So now you might be wondering, okay, title and URL is okay, fine. Why about page source? Why do I need it? So the reason for that is there are some of the applications where you're not able to view the HTML source code. So at such circumstances, we might use this one alternative. So then let's get started. Like I had shown you in the previous session, I will be again copying these three lines. Since I have explained it in my previous session, if you guys are not familiar with these three lines and do not understand what these lines are, why am I writing them, please go back and view it. So now what I'm doing here is I'm setting the property here, and I am launching an empty Chrome browser and I'm maximizing it. After this, now I will navigate to a website. Driver.navigate.to. Now I'm going to give a URL here, and the URL will be http://seleniumhq.org. So this is the official website of Selenium. We will be navigating here. Okay. Now what we have done is in the line 12 we have launched a empty Chrome browser, and then line 13 we have maximized it, and line 14 we have navigated to seleniumhq.org website. And here comes the magic things. What we have done, we have to print the title, page source, and the URL. So three important things we are supposed to do. So for that, driver dot, what I need to get, just search here. I need to get the current title, so get title, but title will return a string value, so I need to store this in a string variable. So let me store it in a string variable title. And now what I'm going to do is I have to print this title, so I'm going to use sysout, the system.out.println, and then title colon plus title. Since this has to print automatically, I will give it in double quotes, and title T is capital here. So this will print the title. So I'll be showing you step by step. So let us see first, print the title. Okay, let's see how it goes. We have launched empty Chrome browser, maximized it, and then we have navigated to seleniumhq.org. So the title is Selenium Web Browser Automation. So this has to be printed. Okay, yes, you can see it. It has printed title Selenium Web Browser Automation. So first thing is done. So now let's move on and do the second thing, that is printing the URL. Later on we'll print the page source. So similarly I'll do driver dot, I need to get the current URL. So there is a method here, get current URL. Likewise it will also give a string value, so I need to store it again in a string variable for that. So let me store it in a string variable URL. Okay, this is done. Now let us print this URL. So printing part is very easy. I'm going to give your URL, give a colon here, plus URL. So this will print the URL. Now I'll save this and let's run it again for a better understanding. So we have launched now and it has maximized it. Now we are navigating to Selenium HQ. Now let's go back and see what's printed. Okay, so the URL is www.seleniumhq.org. Let us see if it's correct or not. Yes, it's correct. http://www.seleniumhq.org. So far we have correctly printed the title and the URL. Now that's the last part and it's the very easiest one. We not do anything. Similarly, driver dot. Now I have to find or look for a method that can print me or that can get the page source for me. So driver dot, there is one method here, get page source. It will also return me a string value. I have to store it in a string variable. Again, string pgsrc page source equals to. So far everything is fine. Now let's print the page source as well. So page source starts from here, and here I'm going to add a plus sign and then pgsrc. Okay, so now what we have done is we have did this. Addition to that, I will also close the browser. For that I'll be using driver.quit. I'll save it. I've saved it. Now let me run. Now so you have to see now the title, the URL as well as the page source needs to be printed in our console. So now just run this and just view it very quickly. Also it has to close the browser because we have added a driver.quit statement in the script. So now it has launched the browser, maximized it, is navigating to a site and it has closed. So now let me go up and see whether all the three things are printed or not. Okay, yes, you can see here the title is printed, then the URL is printed, and then the page source starts from here is also printed with the text, and all the HTML code is being printed. You can see here a very simple and easy way to learn some of the very basics of Selenium that will be helpful for you in your further framework. This is a very important part because there are some common things that you will be adding in your framework. So please do it at your end. If you find any doubts and if you're stuck somewhere, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.